Oh yeah, oh yeah. I wish I had a bigger one. It's a lot of gravel. So, obviously you could tell this operator's very first driveway, even after all the training we did, still couldn't figure out how to use the roller. Mitchell told me he's got it down pat now, but as you could tell, this is the problem we had all year long last year. This right here, on well over 1,000 driveways. Now we have a roller, so this doesn't happen, but every once in a while, you get a special operator. Try not to get this grass, from the boulevard.